Imran Chaudhary and Bethany have released this new gadget which is called as AI Pin. It is being touted as the replacement of mobile phone and the biggest innovation of this decade. The Humane AI Pin is a new type of standalone device with a software platform that harnesses the power of AI to enable innovation, personal computer experiences. The connected and intelligent clothing-based wearable device uses a range of sensors that enable contextual and ambient compute interactions. Few of these interactions were recently previewed for the first time publicly in Imran Chaudhary's TED Talk, and I'll drop the link to it in video's description too. So, Humane is a company by Imran Chaudhary and it is collaborating with Qualcomm Technologies for this unique device and form factor. Humane's first device will be powered by an advanced Snapdragon platform from Qualcomm Technologies. The co-founder of Humane, both Imran Chaudhary and Bethany Bongiorno, have said that they are very excited and this is an opportunity for people to take AI with them everywhere and to unlock a new era of personal mobile computing which is seamless, screenless, and sensing. Now, this is quite important because this is a groundbreaking wearable AI device that's redefining our interaction with the technology. I don't think so that it is just yet another shiny gadget. It's primarily a leap into the future of personal tech, and this is the future. The design is sleek and the capabilities are really powerful. I believe that this AI pin is going to challenge the very essence of how we use devices in our daily lives. And this is a real threat for Apple, in my opinion. Let's see if any big player buys Humane out or not, but maybe they'll just get big by themselves. So, what exactly is this AI pin? At the heart of this innovation is the concept of a screenless experience. The price of this AI pin is around 700 US dollars, and you can even order it now. And you are going to receive it in the first half or even first quarter of 2024, which is next year. As I said, it is not just a pin which you can wear on your sleeve or lapel. It's a portal to a new world. Now you can even fasten it to your shirt or blouse or wherever you want, and you have your personal assistant with AI capabilities, camera, and interactive display right on your person. This is a technology that's not just carried but worn, seamlessly integrating in your life. Now, as I said, I believe that this is going to be the dawn of new era, and I don't think so. It is that it is just a latest fad. So I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on it, and please share them in the comments. And on your screen, you can see the website of Humane, which of course I'll drop the link in video's description. You can sign up for updates too. So that's it, guys. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel.